Because what I knew before was just my vows, my strong.
Kayo, thank you, ma'am.
So, ito yung okay, thank you. Salamat.
Ano in-expect mo na matututunan mo this afternoon?
Oh, power dressing. Gusto niyo ba yun? Yes, okay.
You feel more competent and your credibility will really rise. Okay? So
Please join me in welcoming Miss Tony Miranda.
Good afternoon, everyone. Wow, kailangan pantayan ko yung energy ni Miss Casey.
Give you a joke. Like ko ng joke na. Okay? Now we want to we will not just elevate your smile, we will elevate your values. Out or big chat, wow. Diba? And 5, I'm willing to give my 100, okay? Or that I should communicate my value through my appearance. Nakakabusog yung ating, parang everyday, bis na quota o sesang naharap. Diba? Okay? Walang time. Diba? Kasi kayo nga, I need to be good steward of my body language. Ano naman? Cat. To change to your favorite program. Convince, make sure. Hindi na kayo. Antonio ko nagsabi sa kanya ba? Si Anne, ano favorite? Empowerment. Dahil, kaya pinafeel ko yung women empowerment. Those joining us online, buti na lang, hindi pa. Reliable, I love that. Another one, reliable. Yeah. Oo. Authentic. Sa pangalan, who are good for looking reliable. And go around, put stickers. I encourage you. Kinikreate natin, are you more of the credits? If it's taking you more than 5 minutes, meron ka lang 8 or 10 for music na alam naman. Sino nga? So, I have short hair. Sleeves are, that is my idea. Parinig sa mic, ha? If you have short neck, so we're yun na lang kamay. Kasi alam ko Chicken Joy, umangat, diba? That will make more prominent. So, may I request for you, the next one, this is correct.
Mas improve yung communications. Marami akong natutunan.